Get down. All right, get up, get up, get up. All forward, go, 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 paddle. And relax.
Down.
Get down. Okay, right side, hop up on the tube. Right side, paddle forward, go, keep going. Keep going. Keep going, put your body into it. And relax, relax. All right, team, hop up, everybody. Good job, right side.
Oh, look at that, John.
Give me one. Take a happy thought, or two or three. We're looking pretty good. There's the tree limbs I talked about. Give me one. Get down, get down. Oh, that one slipped me up. Hold on a minute, let me get past this rock. All right, you get up. Think happy thoughts. Give me two. Give me one more. I think we got it. Give me one. This is door number 2 right in front of you. Give me 2. Lean in a little, don't fall out. Get ready. Give me 2. Big hit. Well, not really. Give me 2, go. Good foul strokes, team. That was probably the crux move for that rapid.
Woo! Heck yeah.
You run the technical part, now you're just enjoying the run out of Blue Hole. This was an awful place to swim. So far I've never had anybody swim here. I hope it continues. Dude. I should have let more air out. Give me 2, team. That was welcome ledge, gun up on smiley face next. It's right in front of it. It's named for a piece of graffiti that's below the water line. The only graffiti not removed for the Olympics. Silly name, huh? Give me 2. We're coming up slam dunk. It won't be too radical in a route. Give me 1. But in kayak, it can be a bit of a slam. Let me get this straightened out. Get ready, team. Get your game face on. Callahan's coming up. Give me 2. This is the good part, I think. Give me 2 more. It's going to be fun. Don't worry. Stay together. All right, give me 1. Give me 1 more. That's the way I like it. So far, so good. Give me 2. Give me 2 more. Dig me. We're on line. Whoa, that's not where I want to be. We fixed it. Give me 2. Give me 2 more. Stay together. Give me 2 more. Get ready, team, get ready. Give me one. Good job, team. Hey, smile, celebrate. Show some sucky. Oh yeah! Very nice. Woo! Oh, nice roll. The 3 of the holes got more meat to them than the others. I'm going to try to get as much of the 3 as I can for fun. Give me 2. I don't want to get too greedy on the first one though, or I'll miss the second one for sure. Give me 1. Oh, we might get a lot of the first one. That's okay. It could be fun. Whoa, that's a little bit much. Yeah, you see me get a big hit, didn't you? Okay, team, give me 2. It's a little crazy here, man. This happens sometimes. You get lost of one. We'll see what happens in a minute. That was wacky. Backwards 2. I'm trying to line up. All right, this is the one that doesn't count, but it could be fun. Relax. Hold on to those T-grips. We picked up a little water on that, didn't we? Give me 2 more. Kevin caught up with us. It's just fun wave train. Backwards 2. Keep coming backwards. Whoa, I turned to a midget. I knew I was going to step in that hole again.
Gotta pee.
There's always one. Watch out for that big river otter. We just shave him every once in a while so he thinks it's a guy.
Bass spreaders are Woo! You like his stuff? You'll see all kinds of
Oh yeah, man. Bass spread running. Then you Google Ocoee River Rafting, you'll find me. Or you can go to the URL on the back. Oh yeah. Here's why mine's nice and clean. I wash it every day. I gotta get you cooled off. I have to make sure you can eat.
Right.
You might get hungry later if you're too hot to eat when we get to lunch break.
Well, my feet are all the way under this. When you let it out, just let it go back down. Both my feet will be dry. Good. How cold is this water?
I think it's in the 70s. It feels warm to me. Of course, I don't go to the beach in the Carolinas except in November personally. It's too hot the rest of the year. Oh yeah!
Let me see if I remember you guys right up. Happy PA. In here. I won't Fred, let you try it again.
Yeah, find the rock. All right, I gotta get equal opportunity. I gotta get well on the other side too. Whoa, yeah!
I'm peeing now. I'm peeing now.
You better not.
Hey, you guys got my orange saddle, the old saddle in there somewhere? Good. I got to see it, Frank.
You went to the clean.
Cool beans. How are y'all feeling now? Uh-oh, now I got rinsed around longer.
Not all the water falls.
I get on out of here in a moment.
No, a little more. I got a fish.
Oh my God, Robert.
Everybody's edit body surfing, yeah.
Really awesome. I wonder if the water where we're going far is
Where y'all going next?
somewhere waterfall.
Cool, waterfall, that'd be nice.
Ready to sit back up?
Oh yeah, you can pull those feet out if you like. One more for good measure. Get down. Yeah, no big deal. But I'm gonna let this hit this first. Now you get up. I didn't want anybody to fall in those rocks by accident. You see how fluffy that water is? You really won't float. See the kayakers? Look how easy that looks. That's actually probably the most important line not to screw up when you're kayaking out here. Give me one more. All right, you're welcome to hop out here and swim. Don't grab the raft though, because you might pull it into rocks with you and that might not be comfortable. But basically you're floating, you're not swimming, you don't have to do any work. Yeah, just put your paddles in and hop out, anything goes. I wouldn't recommend diving in head first. You don't even have to get back in the raft. You can float all the way to the lunch area if you want. It's up to you.
Oh, okay.
I can pull you in if you want to get in sooner though.
The water's fine.
I want to jump on you now.
I want to jump on your mother out over there. I mean, you're lucky.
We're going to spin on this rock and that should give y'all a better option for getting out. I don't want you to be on the rock. Yeah, you can hop out there if you want. Yeah, you can hop out there. That'll be good. I just didn't want you to jump out up next to the bank. Very nice. See how easy it is? All right, team, get crack on crack. Get those sea grips in your hands. Be ready to paddle. It's about to get real. There's no warm up on this section. All right, team. Ready, set, give me two. Dig 'em. La 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 la. Just relax, think happy thoughts. We're looking good. This is fine. I know it's hard work, but y'all are doing great. Wow, you're about to get a photo from the bank below. The photographer's off to your right. Miles, wave right in front of you. nice. Hey, how you doing, Margaret? Give me one more. All right, I'm gonna tell you to lean forward in a moment. Give me two. Give me two more. Lean forward, lean forward.
Size matter.
This is broken nose proper.
There we go. Woo!
Give me two. I help when I can, but I don't want to hurt nobody.
Boom!
One more. Get down, pals up.
Oh, yeah!
Oh no. Sorry, brother. All right, hop up. This is called moon shoot. And first we have to negotiate around Ganesh the elephant, who can either help or hinder our progress like his namesake. So be ready to bow, ready, set, give me two. Now look to your left and you'll note the river is mooning us. And now you're gonna get a bump from the front, don't fall out. Always that fun, it saves y'all a lot of strokes. Give me two now though. Get down.
Back up.
Oh yeah. Good job, team. Get down. Paddles up. Get paddle dive. All right, that's a wrap. Hop up. Coming up is double trouble. You will be getting photos here, so if you make silly faces, do it on purpose. We get two big standing waves in the wave drain, hence the namesake. That's where your photos are getting shot, right there where that white raft just left. Get those T-grips in your hands. I'm gonna need a few strokes momentarily. Ready, set, give me two. Smile. Okay, lean right, lean right. Okay, team, get ready. This is Flipper. So we're gonna take some meaningful strokes so we don't live up to the name. Give me 3, dig up. Woo. Give me 2 more, go. And relax. Two more. And 2, go. And relax. Get down. Hop up. Here comes Gene Simmons' tongue. Hey, they named it in the 70s. And all it means is your guide isn't lost yet. We're going down towards Sneaky Pete. It's a little ledge, not a big one. And then we're going to do Surprise. Surprise doesn't have much margin for error. And my goal is for you not to learn what Surprise is because it's not good. Give me 1. It's running Sneaky Pete, same way we're going. It's a fun way. Don't fall out here. No reason to. Oh! Okay, that happens sometimes.
All right, right, good.
Okay, work your way toward the bottom.
All right,
You work down that way. I'm off slightly. I don't know why I did that, but it happens sometimes. You sit right in between two of them. Now see if I can't get something pinned in a second. You're gonna need to slide over and let him get in the middle. You just hang loose, just take off. This happens some days. I like to say it's never happened, but that'd be a fib. Hop up. See, it wasn't that bad yet. Get back where you're supposed to be. Get ready to paddle. I'm gonna need some strokes. Good job, team. All right, give me 1 forward stroke. And relax. Backwards 1. Backwards 1. That first one was just kissed out of the hydraulic. All right, team.
that was fun. Woo! Hell yeah!
All right, give me 2 dinghies. They're kind of important. And relax. Everybody okay? Give me 2 more. Give me 2 forward. Give me 1 forward all together. Okay, lean in. We might have another bump here. This is what I consider the entrance to tabletop. It's real excitement. It's almost 100 yards away. But we're going to do most of the work before we run it. At least y'all are. Give me 2. Give me 2 more. We want some speed so we can have a cleaner line. And 2. I know this is crazy, but it'll be fun. Give me 2 more. Big hit, don't fall out. Whiplash, I can fix this, don't worry. Give me 1. Yeah, that big breaking wave is kind of crazy, isn't it? Just kind of go with what it gives you when you hit it. They're going a different way than us.
Now, right back, that guy, left side, go.
And that's called Witch's Hole. The rapid's name is Diamond Splitter. There's a fun little surf spot here. We're gonna see if we can catch it on the way by. Hey, relax. Get ready, team. I'm gonna have you paddle momentarily. Give me 3. Don't fall out there. That would be bad.
Push down. You were pushing me out.
She wouldn't do that, would she? I was distracted. I didn't see that. We'll have to see if the video caught it.
That handle thing's like in my face, like bam. Ow, ow.
Yeah. Well, you knew you were picking on her earlier. It was going to catch up with you. Ready, set, go. It's going to go for skin the cat behind us. Big hit, big hit. Nah, I think he ran the same line we did. I'm not sure though. Just don't let it topple you out. You should be fine. I'm not even holding on. Give me 2 forward, 2 forward, and relax. Give me 2 more. That's what we're trying to do. That's why I'm calling these strokes. Give me 3 more. Dig them hard. Go. Go. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Watch your other crew. Watch the other crew.
Oh, wow.
Well, they got dunked. They didn't quite fall out. It fell in. That's silly. Oh, we'll see. I'm pretty sure. Not sure how big. Oh, you stole the punchline. No, I'm kidding. We're good. Where was Flash?
If these videos make you want to come rafting, consider rafting with me, Fast Fred. Check out the URL on the screen right now. I will appreciate you. I will show you a good time, and I'll do my best to keep you safe. So bring it on down to the Ocoee and let's have some fun. Looking forward to seeing you.